Hello and thanks for watching. Today we're going to do a little lesson on elevation profiles. To begin, get Google Earth open and go to the preferences, and we're going to do everything in meters and kilometers today. So switch that over in the preferences. So our primary tool today is going to be to make a path, and all you need to do is touch the Add Path tool here or add the path up here from the Add menu. And you're going to leave this box alone, maybe call it north-south, and make it a real big, bright colored path so everyone can see it. Don't close that box. You're going to cut the island of Jamaica in half, right through the A in Jamaica, and then I'm going to show you what to do with that, but I don't want to give away any answers, so I'm going to demonstrate with Puerto Rico over here with a new path. I'll call this one PR, north-south, and I'll make sure that's a nice large red line. I'm cutting the island in half. Hope the people of Puerto Rico don't mind that. And I'm going to go to the Edit menu after I click the OK button here and finish that. You see my path is shown up over here, Puerto Rico, north-south. I'm going to go to the Edit menu, and I'm going to show the elevation profile. So this is what you're going to be doing with your Jamaica elevation profile. You're going to zoom in a little ways and make sure all the detail shows up in the map. See how details are showing up as the map completely loads? So you make sure all the detail is there by scrolling from north to south on the island. Now all the elevation details are taking place. So your job is to find out the difference between the highest point, which is about 1,005 meters on Puerto Rico, and the lowest point on your line, which is either 0 meters or 7 meters. So you decide. And then finally, you are going to find the length of the line, and you can accomplish that in a couple of ways. You can open this back up by control clicking and getting info. And you can look at the measurements. It's 33 miles or 54 kilometers in length. The other way to find the length is to take the ruler tool, which is right up here, and switch it into kilometers. Click once there, and click once there, and we have about the same 54 kilometer length. The second half of the assignment, you do the same thing, except you go up to the Grand Canyon, and it flies you out to the western United States. And you're going to zoom in a little ways, and right through that red place mark, you're going to create another path. So this path will be the same style and color. We'll call it GC, north-south. Whoops, I pressed that too soon, so what do? Control click on that, get info. This time just tuck it away. I'm going to move my path from up here in the green forest area, right through the red A. And I'm going to get an elevation profile after I click OK. And I'm going to use that elevation profile to answer my questions. Remember, you have to zoom in and let all of the features of the landscape get filled in on the elevation profile. So you have to scroll across your line to make sure all the detail shows up.